Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make white sauce pasta like hotel, updated. Start by gathering fresh cream, butter, flour, garlic, milk, parmesan, pasta, and seasoning. Measure ingredients to keep consistency and heat gently to avoid curdling. Toast flour briefly for nutty depth, then whisk in milk slowly to achieve a smooth, velvety bechamel base. Keep stirring and taste, often to adjust seasoning and texture for hotel-style richness. Heat a wide pan and melt butter over moderate heat before adding flour to form a roux, stirring until pale and fragrant. Slowly whisk in warm milk so the sauce stays lump-free, then add cream and grated parmesan for richness and silkiness. Keep the sauce on low heat to prevent separation and fold in drained pasta to finish cooking, allowing it to absorb the sauce and develop a creamy, hotel-quality coating. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel and see more recipes. Quick recommendation. The new Kindle Paperwhite makes reading recipes and cookbooks easy whether you're in the kitchen or on the go, and its glare-free screen helps you follow steps without smudging pages. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Once the sauce reaches a glossy, thick consistency, remove the pan from heat and stir in grated parmesan to melt smoothly without becoming gritty. If the sauce seems too thick, whisk in a little reserved pasta water to reach the ideal cling and silkiness. Finish by folding the pasta gently into the sauce, taste and adjust seasoning, then plate with fresh parsley and a crack of black pepper for an elegant hotel-style presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.